Viewers, today I heard the announcements made by Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman in last year regarding your bill payment of 1 lakh, foreign expenses of more than 1 lakh, and other travel expenses more than 20,000 will need not to be shown in ITR of this year. Viewers, in last 2 years, the announcements made by Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman regarding ITR and GSTR all goes in vain, and from this point of view you know or easily make assumptions that how talented the NDA government regarding our economy. Viewers, today I will shoot this video to explain the differences between GSTR and ITR. GST implemented on 1st July 2016 and practically implemented on 1st July 2017. The tender of GST goes to Infosys and Tech Mahindra. ITR came into law up to since 1975. ITR came in 1975, and at that time offline mode of ITR is prevalent in that time. Viewers, 26 AS is not applicable or necessary in GSTR. 26 AS is applicable and necessary in ITR. To avail loan from financial institution, 3 years ITR is required, GSTR return is not required. Threshold limit for ITR is 2.5 lakh and threshold limit for GSTR is 20 lakh. ITR has 7 forms: ITR 1, ITR 2, ITR 3, ITR 4 up to 7. GSTR having GSTR 1 and GSTR 3. GSTR 1 is output and GSTR 3 is to give the tax to government. Viewers, if loan is not be given on the basis of GSTR, from this point of view you can assume that how GSTR good for our Indian economy. In my perspective, GSTR is not good for future economy. Better to withdraw GSTR. Taxpayers suffers, and as well as job payers or service class also suffers. GSTR, in my point of view, stand for Golmaal Sales Tax. Viewers, in ITR you need to file only single time in a whole year, whereas GST has 2 bodies, one is regular and another is composite. Composite can deposit tax regularly and file GSTR 4 annually, whereas regular need to file GSTR 1 and 3 on monthly basis. Viewers, refund application is difficult in GSTR and easy in ITR. ITC given in GSTR, not in income tax. If more than 20 lakh threshold limit crossed in an annual in GST, then you need to show your GST in income tax. Viewers, for refund application you have to show your ITR of previous month, how much refund and expenses you made on machinery, and such kind of reason is not valid in ITR. Audit happen both in GSTR and ITR. Thank you, viewers.